Hi everybody, back again. Okay, this is a Raspberry Pico. This is the one with the with the Wi-Fi, but I mean we don't need a Wi-Fi now. Here's an MPU. This is an MPU 6050. It's connected to I2C. I2C. This is the Oled, which will show a cube, a spinning cube when you move the. So let's go and see if we can call it. Let me see. Okay, one thing you got to make sure is that the driver, when you plug it in, you got to. I'll show you just now. So when you plug it in, it needs to look for the memory purpose for the SD card, which is like a driver. It's inside the system. So you got to keep this button pressed when you plug it in. So it'll create a driver on your usually F or E, depend how much have you got there, how many drivers you got. And so if you got two Picos connected, you will have an E and F and so on. So they all will have their own driver, just for the memory, otherwise it won't run. It's a bit slow. Okay, let's go back to there we are. There we have the cube. I put a cross so that you can see the sides. Okay, it's not moving that much. I made it very smooth and slow, but you can see how it moves. Yeah, it moves like this. Sort of. You can make it faster if you want. You can move, more. And I like it, in this case, I try to do it softly, smooth. Otherwise, like, always have the issue that shakes too much. But it does move nicely. It's a complete 3D. Okay. And obviously I will pass the code. It's a lot of writing here. Lots of code. Mail is copy paste because each side is the same. So you copy paste the sides, and except for the cross, which require a bit more work, but the rest is all very, it's a pi and angle degree. There we are. Well, guys, thank you very much, and have a fantastic day. Please give me a thumbs up if you like it.